What have you got there, Dirk?
I think it's a box of box.
Ooh.
I think it's a box of books. I was lucky enough last week to meet Brother Chris Galloway from the Grand Lodge of Texas at the Midwest Conference on Masonic Education that was held out in Minneapolis last week. We had a lot of brothers from different parts of the country that got together and talked about Masonic education, and I was lucky enough to sit at a table with Chris Galloway for a while, and he was mentioning the fact that he has published some books and found an opportunity to help other brothers out that want to publish books by starting his own publishing company called the Perfect Ashlar Publishing.
Oh.
And I think we'll put the website on there for that. But anyway, he was going to send me the books that he's published. I don't know which of these are from him or who they're from. He said we're going to get a number of different boxes. And Chris said that this is not the only box, that we're going to be getting a few boxes. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what else comes up. Thanks, Brother Chris. Looking forward to it. Thanks for the support of the Michigan Masonic Museum and Library. And we'll do everything we can on our end to support Perfect Ashlar Publishing, because I think it's a really good thing.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to reading.